boss, you're crazy.
Slimy ass little dude, I see him walk, you know I'm taking that. Yeah, you know I'm taking that. It's big 22, my jack, you know I'm clutching that.
And if I ever run into you doing nothing, I'm flushing him. And I'ma find this low and pick up bro so we can sneak on him. I'm behind that back door, watch his brains all on the floor. This shit get so real, but you never know. Might be a day, might be next to go. But I'm R10, we stay on go. Whatever end, we take all this dough. You niggas my fans. Beat my hand, grind all day till we making some bands. Big ass fan, know like we spin. Got it one car, saying not again. Whoa, you know my slogan, switch the flow up. Drinking this lean, damn it feel like I gotta throw up. All shit's green, all them dead presidents, time to pull up. Slimey la Nigga, push up on the block, but you know I'm official. Sliding all day till we hop on and get him. The way that I'm feeling on his face on the picture. Sorry, little bro, your family gotta miss you. Only thing I'm dugging is a motherfucking system. He slipped and tripped, now I'm finna go ahead and clip him. Goddamn, you know how to zip him. Goddamn, watch out, he dropped the low, he popped out. Run they blood, some shots out. 2D trailer while the cops out. We take that risk, run up on the Austin, face them quick. Hit up game like damn, where the licks. Remember back then, they was calling me and shit. Now I'm on all y'all on my dick.
Whoa, slimy ass little nigga. Whoa, slimy ass little nigga. Whoa, slimy ass little nigga. Whoa, slimy ass little nigga.
Hold on, nigga, I ain't done. I'm just really having fun. Please don't come out without your gun. Remember little dude, he tried to run, but he got psych. I don't know none. Bro need a bill, then we selling the funds. Thinking I'm green, so I pop out the drum. These niggas be slimy, that's why I don't trust none. Bro got that tat, they say fear none. I advise you to chill before you enter that gun. Push all me to the end of the sun. And nigga play, then you know that he done. Rich like me niggas, we grew up with none. Hey, yeah, nigga, we grew up with none. Rich for the time, I'm gonna be proud of your son. Hey, I'm gonna be proud of your son.